Hi, welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to talk about taking payments and marking them in car. From the dashboard, find the service request that you're looking to add payments to. You can do that from the job board or in the service request list. From the service request list, find the service request you want to add a payment to and click on Action Payments. This will open up the payment window. Here you have the ability to uncheck or check on the lot as you take a payment and a client takes their vehicle. You also have the ability to mark the payment method, cash, check, credit card, or other, the payment amount if it's not in full, the payment date, any notes, and adding payment. Once you add it, the payment record will be found underneath. You also have the ability to set reminders for payments should you allow clients to leave without paying their bill in full, sort of like fleets or things of that nature. You can also download the invoice. Changing your payment method to credit card will immediately show you the payment amount, the credit card fee if you have it checked off for that service request, and the total payment due with the credit card fee attached to it. You'll also have the same options for payment date and the last four of the credit card to help you keep track. In order to aid you in your business in keeping track of payments due, in our reports and statistics section, we have an overdue report. Clicking on this will bring up all balances owed to you and your facility, as well as the service request, the phone number, date completed, total invoice amount, balance owed, and the ability to view, make payments, or set a reminder to remind this customer to come in and pay their invoice. You can also download this list into a CSV file to manage it in Excel. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Car Training, and have a great day.